It is Wednesday morning. The market opened about 8 minutes ago. This is the Dow on a 5 minute chart. We are looking to get into some sort of a scalp here. Let's go to the 1 minute chart. It's still pushing higher. Let's set up a small size and think about going long. Okay, we're buying a breakout here, really. All-time highs for the Dow. The price is 435 that we're in. So what is this? 10. Let's go to about 10 pips and see if we can get there pretty quickly. If not, we'll have to evaluate what's going on for a little while. Could just start with something like this. How much do you let this pull back, right? So that would be the 23 here. 4 405, 35 405, something like that. Okay, let's pause this for a couple of minutes. So that'll happen. You'll buy a breakout, and right away um, you're below break even, and you just have to figure out if that was the start of something more. You do have. Look at these bars. I mean, this is pretty volatile. Let's zoom in here. Let's look at the 5. You see 942. It's rallying. It should hit the, yeah, okay. That was 10 pips. Quick scalp trade. Thanks for watching.